Storytelling is important because it's how people can communicate with each other in any culture. It's universal. Being able to tell a good story can advance your career in so many different ways. A job interview, a promotion, you're trying to get funding for a project. A lot of that information is just delivered in a really dry way. It might be factually correct, it might be well presented, but there's an absence of an emotional connection that comes naturally when you're telling any form of information in the form of a story. There's a part in the middle, it's my favorite part, where I pull these unfortunate poor souls out of the audience and I ask them to tell a story about themselves that's really embarrassing. And it's very often pretty good the first time, but then I ask them to do it again and I give them a couple of very simple pointers. It might be try it a little bit slower, or try it sitting down, or pretend that you're talking to a third grader instead of a room full of PhDs. And the very fact that they can make adjustments and they can improve it is so powerful to the audience, because they see you can impart information to people in ways that are not academic, not dry, but are more natural and more organic. If you've got the nerve to try it, it's going to pay off.